Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the past few days, there have been multiple attempts to push Bitcoin's price lower through fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Three main stories drove sentiment. First, a chart from Bank of America Global Research showing that falling construction spending could point toward a possible recession. Second, reports suggesting that Germany may have another $5 billion worth of Bitcoin to sell, similar to last year. And third, a major JavaScript supply chain hack. This hack, connected to the Ledger CTO, could lead to address swaps on more than 1 billion devices. At the same time, some larger holders have reportedly been reducing exposure. Despite all of this, Bitcoin has shown strength and climbed back up, reaching a local peak of 112,900 within the past 24 hours. It was rejected just below the red resistance zone we've highlighted before, but quickly bounced from the apex of the symmetrical triangle we discussed yesterday, returning to the purple 112,000 level. On the 1-hour chart, the VWAP is trending upward, supported by a green momentum dot and rising money flow. All of these align with a possible continuation to the upside. From the lows on September 1st, near 107,200, Bitcoin is still up nearly 4.5%. This move lines up with positive data from spot ETF flows, which closed green yesterday, September 8th. Total net inflows were about $364.3 million, led by Fidelity with around $156.5 million, and ARK with about $89.5 million. Overall, 9 out of 11 spot products are reporting inflows. That shows continued institutional participation, even while many retail traders remain cautious in the face of negative headlines. Additionally, Michael Saylor tweeted again that Strategy has acquired another 1,955 Bitcoin for about $217.4 million at an average price of roughly $111,196 per coin. As of September 7th, 2025, they now hold around 638,460 Bitcoin, purchased for a total of about $47.17 billion at an average cost of $73,880 each. In broader developments, Kazakhstan has now taken official steps to establish a strategic national Bitcoin reserve, after earlier reports this year suggested such a plan was being considered. When we see not only institutions but also nation-states adding exposure, it highlights the ongoing adoption trend. And one last point. None of the 30 major historical indicators that usually mark a cycle peak have triggered yet. Based on this, it still looks too early to call a market top. Personally, I remain in position. Patience is key here. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart discussions. Tap the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.